Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Thanks for joining us today. We have some exciting news. We are going on a family holiday and we're so excited because in 2 sleeps we are going to go on a airplane and we are going to the UAE to Dubai. We are so excited. So this video is a little bit about what are the things that we have done to put into our luggage and prepare for our journey. So deciding to take all 3 kids on a holiday was really easy to make because today there is so many things in the market which make traveling with kids really convenient. And I just wanted to make this vlog to kind of share with you guys some of the things that we thought would make our journey easy. But of course, it's our first time traveling with all 3 kids. So if there is anything that you can offer us in terms of feedback or advice or any other great tips on things that will make our travel and our holiday much more comfortable, please do comment down below because we are always looking for hints and tips from families. There's so many families that are out there seeing the world and traveling with kids, which is just amazing. So we really want to learn from you guys. So please do check out what we've got, and if you've got any suggestions, please do comment down below. Okay, so to get started, we wanted to make sure that the kids had some comfy shoes for their journey and for their time in Dubai. Dubai is predominantly a walking place, so we did invest a little bit of money into buying them some nice comfy shoes so that they could walk around and feel comfortable. Little Krishika's got some little Lacoste shoes which we bought for her feet. Lacoste shoes are very soft and foamy inside, so she'll have lots of comfort while she's walking around. We also picked up some hats for the kids. Hats are really important. Being outside and walking around all day, hats are important to protect their kids' heads from sun, also cool them down a little bit. These hats are great because they have little ventilator mesh on the backs and they're super cute. Look how amazing that is. It shines so bright. Every girl can feel like a princess in one of these caps. The next thing we wanted to look at was maybe getting some headsets for the kids. Initially we thought we would buy them for the kids to use on the airplanes, but then we kind of changed our mind because the company that we're flying with, Emirates, provide children's headsets, but we decided to go ahead and buy these so that if we're out and about and the kids are using their tab or their gaming devices, that they can pop these on and not be disturbing other people, particularly as we're going to a lot of touristy type places. The really great thing about these kids safe headsets is that they're volume limited. So you don't need to worry about little ears getting blasted with loud volume. So that was a really good buy. We picked those up pretty cheap for the 3 kiddies. The next thing we got were these from Shein actually. We got these little wet wipe travel pouches. So we buy our wipes in bulk, obviously having 3 kids. We need lots of wipes, and these little pouches, you just slide the wipes inside and open the top to take them out as you need them. I thought that would be a great thing to take with us in our bags when we're going for lunches or to the theme parks or just even on the airplane. Yeah, lots of uses obviously for wipes. Any parent would know that. You can also mix it up a little bit as well. So one of the wipes packets that we have here is we decided that this was going to be our nappy changing kind of clean your face and skin wipes, and then the second bag we decided to put our sanitizing wipes in so that if we're going to bathrooms and things freshening up and things like that, or eating at a table where we wanted it to be a little clean, we wanted to keep sanitizer wipes in a separate pocket. So we went for 2 different colors for that reason. Let us know what you guys do. I'm always thinking about places that we're going to eat. Dubai is a very clean place. We were told that a lot. But just as a parent, you know, when you're traveling in a different location, you always want to make sure that you've got your sanitizer wipes and your wipes on hand. So I'd be really interested to know what other people are using. Okay, so thinking about being out and about again with the kids, we wanted to make sure that they're comfortable, and sleep time was always a little bit challenging. We picked up these cute little round shape things from a local store here, and they transform into an eye mask and headphones to protect ears and eyes when the kids sleep. I'll open it up now so you can have a look. So this is what it looks like when it's opened up. This is the eye mask, and then the sides turn into a bit of a neck pillow, or even wraps around to be some type of like ear protection. So I thought that was a really great idea, and the little clips on the side mean that they can just snap right onto the kids' backpacks when they're hopping on the plane, or onto the pram when we're out and about with the kids. Speaking of putting things in our backpack and being out and about, we picked these up from Shein as well. These are little GPS trackers, really handy when you're going away or going anywhere and you're taking lots of bags with you. So they work by Bluetooth. They only have a 25-meter range. You just pop them in your backpack or in your pram or wherever you want to put it, basically, and you are able to track where it is up to 25 meters. We thought that would be handy. Usually when you have lots of kids, you have lots of bags, and so you can sometimes forget things. Sometimes you can be just sitting down having lunch with your kids and get a little bit distracted, and then you're up and you're walking around, and then you realize, where is my bag? And then suddenly you're in a situation where you have to backtrack. But fortunately, with this little device, you are able to quickly locate where your item is and safely. Again, Dubai is an amazing place. It has very low theft, low crime, so we don't expect to come into any issues, and it's not really about crime, it's more about our convenience and being able to find things when we need them. So this is a great little thing to buy, little gadget to buy. The next item everybody needs when they travel to a different country is an adapter. So we picked up our universal adapter, which can be used in multiple countries, kind of hoping that if Dubai goes well, we might just keep traveling, which would be amazing, right? For the kids, we have picked up these little travel toothbrushes, which come with caps. Helps them to get excited about brushing their teeth when they're on holidays by being a little bit different, and the caps obviously help to protect the covers. And we just got some little toothpaste for their journey. We will pick up more toothpaste and more of these items when we reach our destination, but it's always handy to have them day one. Another really good item to have day one is hand sanitizer. This is a liquid spray hand sanitizer, and you can see from the side it clips right onto your handbag or onto your backpack, and it's a lovely, they come in different scents. So we've got green, which is cucumber melon, and then we have purple, which is cherry blossom, and they're just great to have with you on hand all the time. Sanitizing everything, keeping kids healthy, that's the way to go. Now, when you're going overseas, it's easy to get excited about what handbags to take and mix and match and goes with your outfits, but keeping it really simple, we tried to go with just simple bags, but bags that we really could manage and use for other things. So for the girls, they have got these little pink bags, which we picked up from Tommy Hilfiger. They're padded nylon bags. Inside they can pop their little fidget toys, maybe a lollipop for the airplane to help with the takeoff, and maybe some crayons and things like that. And for myself, I just opted for a H&M crossbody bag, which is big enough to fit all of our passports and some pens, some tissues, sanitizer, things like that, the emergency things that you need, and some wipes, band-aids and Panadol, lots of those things, and some Barocca. So just keeping it simple, and being simple, you can mix and match it with lots of different outfits as well. Now, on talking about clothes, two places we visited, or that were our go-to places for kids' clothes for the holiday season, were H&M and Shein. So Shein were fantastic for the dresses and the quick dry t-shirts and shorts and the swimwear, and H&M were amazing for the cotton dresses, the cotton t-shirts, and for the really comfy everyday wear. Now at the moment we're going to Dubai in their winter season, so it's going to be about 24, 23 degrees, not hot at all, but still a lot of walking around. The kids need to be comfortable, so we're really happy with the choices that we made at Shein and H&M. Definitely do check it out. Both of them have amazing sales on, and if you're a member at H&M, you get some extra discounts. This is just a sample of a bit of a put together of clothes that we purchased from Shein for our son Arjun. And these are some of our best buys from Shein as well for the girls. You can see we've got some nice swimwear, some leggings, a nice soft bomber jacket and a little t-shirt. I will be making a separate video for my Shein haul because I just think that Shein is fantastic. If you have a low budget and you need to stock up your wardrobe quickly. One thing I have found for sure having 3 kids is that when they all go through a growth spurt at the one time, buying clothes can be super expensive. And as the kids get older, you know, they start to develop their own likes and dislikes, and they really want to have a bigger variety of clothes. And I really find that H&M and Shein are just amazing in providing that quality and that variety that kids really need. Alright, so moving on to hair ties. My girls go through so many hair ties. I really don't know where they go. We do their hair in the morning, and then after just 2 hours, all the hair ties are out and the hair ties are missing. So bulk buy from Shein. I think this packet of like 500 hair ties cost me just like $4. So I'm pretty happy with that. So bulk hair ties. And check out how cute these socks are from H&M and Shein. These are super, super cute for the kiddies. They'll love wearing them, and they're really soft, breathable cotton. Moving on now to our medicines. We always like to pack things like Panadol tablets and Nurofen. The not so attractive but definitely necessary Gastro Stop. For the adults, we have Hydrolite, and for the children, we have Children's Nurofen, and for the allergies, we definitely need some allergy nose spray, some magnesium for energy, lots of band-aids for those little accidents, a little bottle of shampoo, and lots and lots and lots of tissues. I'd be really interested to know what else you guys pack to take your children on holidays. This is just a little bit of what we've put together. Obviously, our suitcases are quite bulging at the moment, so we do need to spend some time to go through it, but we hope we've kind of thought of everything. And of course, if we haven't, we really want to hear from you guys, so do comment down below if you have any hints, tips, ideas or suggestions on things that we need to pack to take with us to make our journey with the kids more comfortable, more convenient, and make it a blissful holiday. So now moving on to our hand luggage. So I'm taking this little backpack, not too big, but big enough to hold the necessary items. And let's have a look what we've got inside. So I've got my glasses, my sunglasses, and we've got some sanitizing wipes, again super necessary. I've got sanitizing spray. I've got some packet of little Hearts biscuits, which are the kids' favorites. I've got some tissues hiding at the back there. I've got some nappy pants for those little accidents, and I've got some earplugs for the airplane trip. I've got my travel compression stocking ready to slip on before the plane takes off. This is really important for us. Dubai is an extra long haul flight, so making sure that we are healthy when we arrive, and that we're eliminating any risks of problems. It's always handy to wear compression stockings. I have this gorgeous little, it's called My First Activity Book. It's like a little fiddle book, I suppose, or quiet book for kids. And my daughter Krishika loves this book. She gets to button and unbutton. She gets to open zips. She gets to open and close belts. It's a really cute little book that helps to keep her amused on the airplane. What else do we have in here? Oh, another Shein purchase. Flushable toilet seat covers. We've all been there. Definitely necessary. So there is 10 in there. I do have another 10 in another bag, so I'm hoping that that should be enough. And pens. Always need pens to fill out those boarding passes and things like that. So that's what I have in my carry-on bag. I'm sure there'll be lots more that gets squashed in there, but that's what I have for now. So that's it, guys. That is pretty much everything for now, and we're 2 days away from our journey. We're really looking forward to this trip, really hoping to hear from you guys. If you have any comments or any suggestions on what else we can pack into our bags or places to visit, we're so excited to be visiting the Burj Khalifa, to be seeing Dubai Fountain. We will be staying at Legoland and going to Motiongate and to the safari. We will be spending time at Sharjah at DoubleTree Hilton. We will be exploring as much as we can in the amazing 10 days that awaits us. And of course, we will be vlogging it all and sharing it with you guys. So please join us on our holiday. We would love to take you with us, and we hope to see you soon. Bye for now.